I just got this free lawnmower from the marketplace, and it looks like it's starting off at a pretty good spot. It does have some rust. It's been sitting for an indefinite period of time. A lot of rust right here. The seat's a little messed up, but there's no battery, and the engine components all look like they're there. So let's do a little troubleshooting and clean a few things up and see if this baby will run. Oil looks pretty good. Gas tank is empty, but it's got some kind of nasty corrosive stuff in the bottom, so I'll clean that out. Alright, won't turn over. And won't turn over, so to start with, we know we have an electrical problem. It did click. I did hear a click, so there was a brief effort. So I'm trying to clean up the electrical part. This is the ground screw for the wire from the ground side of the battery to ground it to the frame, and it's really hard to get to. I found this little bracket here that holds the battery in place is only held on by one little bolt, and that takes about 30 seconds to take it out of the way. It's a whole lot easier to get to that thing. I found one broken wire here going up to the headlights on the hood, and one video said that can result in a kill switch situation, so I'll fix that. So I got it to where I can start it from the solenoid. If I jump it here. And I'm hoping the problem actually is the solenoid. There is a way to test these, and I probably should have done that, but I decided to just get a universal and replace it.